Just touch. Wow, so beautiful. Here, the dress.
Hello, boss. Now I'm introduce you one rock view models. This kettle is very nice, high-end model. When you open the knife, it will be very beautiful. I will show you later. Here, the plate is very nice. The decoration. Inside is glass. Outside is cool touch protection. Concealed heating base. Also 12 pieces, 1 carton.
Okay, now I'm showing you this model. It's feather touch. Just touch. Wow, so beautiful. Here, the dress different temperature according to what kind of foods you need to do, like milk, coffee, and if you power off, just few seconds, 2 seconds. Okay, and this is feather touch, right? Also, we can do this way, mechanical, keep warm function, and just on and off button is here.